is a straightforward product, and it is used all over the world. Velcro is currently a registered trademark of Velcro Industry. In 1948, the Swiss engineer and hobby mountaineer, George Mestral, went hiking in the forest with his dog. He looked at the burdock on the clothing and the dog's fur. He observed hundreds of hooks tied with loops to things like clothes, animal coats, and hair. At this point, he patented the Velcro mechanism. That was the beginning of zipperless zipper products. In the 1960s, Apollo astronauts used hook and loop fasteners to secure the device in space for easy retrieval. It became popular because it is easy to use, easy to manage, and safe. Today, Velcro is used in various products, from children's shoes to laptop bags, blood pressure monitors, and rescue equipment. Velcro shows a characteristic of contemporary science that inspires people to mimic many designs and processes of nature to solve modern problems. It has helped humanity evolve immensely. Since Velcro, there have been many such advanced inventions. But humanity is always looking for more.